Today our topic is alternate dispute resolution. It will be led by Bhupender Bhai. I was reading the definition of this on the internet. Any method of resolving disputes other than by litigation, abbreviated as ADR. Public courts may be asked to review the validity of ADR methods, but they will rarely overturn ADR decision and awards if the disputing parties found as a valid contract to abide by them. And arbitration and meditations are the two major forms of the ADR. I was discussing with Bhupender Bhai. So there are so many advantages or disadvantages, Bhupender. I request you to deal with that also, because that topic is such career opportunity. So what will be the advantage and disadvantage, and the difference between mediation, coalition, negotiation, and arbitration. There is thin line differences there. So I request to take up this also, and I request Vijay to take the charge of this session. Thank you.
Vice President Avinash Bhai Lalwani, our Speaker of the evening, CA Bhupender Shah, my committee member Priti Shukla, and I welcome our committee Vice Chairperson Priti Savla. We have two Pritis on the dais today. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this pre-evening of good wishes of Makar Sankranti, Pongal and Lodi. I am happy to see the encouragement received by our committee, by your continuous interest in the study circle meetings and our committee activities, by your presence, your suggestions, and your turning up in spite of hectic schedule in the Bombay life, coupled with our deadlines of professional work. So that encourages our committee to look forward for new topics, new speakers. Today, the topic is new to us. We thought it didn't fit that we have the right person today, right key with the right chord. None other than CA Bhupender Shah, good friend of Chamber, Institute, BCA and so many lot other studies, and very good friend of mine. Regarding topic, I would not say much of the things except that there are a lot of professional opportunities arising in this particular field of arbitration, which we need to explore. What is arbitration, why it is necessary, and how do we tackle the issues arising during arbitration process. All these issues today will be opened up. I hope not a Pandora's box. And CA Bhupender Shah, Bhupender Bhai, I will be lovingly call him, is a person who has vast experience on this field, having dealt with this topic on various forums. I just briefly speak about his biodata, which itself is a speaking biodata. BCom from Sednamite, rank holder in CA since 1981-82 into practice, merit position in SSC board, completed ESA. Recently, webcast was conducted by him on opportunities for CA in ADR. That is today's topic, which was through ICITV. He has given lectures on various forums, as I mentioned earlier, not only restricted to Bombay. In fact, last it's about at least 2 years or so. He is my neighbor. On the same floor we share the office. Every weekend he comes and picks into my office and says, Vijay bhai, bye bye, I am going to Hyderabad. Vijay bhai, bye bye, I am going to Kolkata. I am going to Latur. I am going to Pune. Today, right now also on the way, he said to me that this weekend at Matheran, Agra, Ajmer, Akola, Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, Ahmedabad, Bareilly, Baroda, Bhilai. I think I would sound like a radio farmers program, so let me restrict myself. And yes, one astonishing feature of him is his owner of Yahoo group called Global Indian CAs, which is comprising as of today 11,700 members. I am sure many of us are receiving these emails which are regular updates. Jokingly, many times I tell him that when do you get this time? So he also jokingly says that my wife is happy. Of course, he is specialized into direct tax practice, is all-rounder in most of the fields like direct taxes, drafting, consultation, appellate work, of CIT level, tribunal level, search and seizure matters, family arrangements, etc. He is on the peer review board of the ICI. And lot of things to share with, but what most important today, in the context of today's topic, he has authored one book on arbitration, which I think he will throw light on it, which was released by the Institute. Without taking much of the time on the biodata, which is endless, running into pages, I think I should hand over the proceedings further to speaker, but not before I request our Vice President to present a memento as a mark of our appreciation to Shri Bhupendra Bhai Shah. Over to Bhupendra.
Good evening, everybody. Hello to you. Hello to CTC. Cost to the company. Topic for the day is professional opportunities in ADR. You are all professional, we are all professionals. Opportunities we know. ADR, alternative dispute resolution. Mahatma Gandhi once said that even if I have to lose all my clients, I will be the happiest person on the earth if they settle their disputes. He was bar at law, remember, in British time, he was a barrister. If they settle their disputes out of the court, what was that? Amicable settlement of the dispute, alternative dispute resolution. How many cases are pending in the civil courts today? 3 crore and some odd thousand is the official figure, maybe around 3.5 crore, whatever it is. So all civil disputes are mostly arbitrable. So we have not realized the scope of arbitration in practice. It is tremendous scope. Now let us come to the topic proper. Earlier we were governed by Indian Arbitration Act 1940, which was a British legacy. Till 1996, nobody bothered. When unilateral model came into picture and force, and with globalization, we had to adopt all these procedures of unilateral model into our act. A new act came into force, Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Now on 29th December 2014, Arbitration Act is amended by ordinance. Why by ordinance? Because this government does not have majority in Rajya Sabha. So they have thought shortcut of passing, but that is still not approved by the president, who is more procedural than any other former president. So it is still awaiting the amendment bill to be still enacted into force. That's why. But we will discuss those points also. Now let's see what is arbitration. What is arbitration? लोकल लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग, कोई भी लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? लबार, दैट इज गुजराती वर्ड. एनी अदर वर्ड? पंचा. हम फिल्म में देखते हैं ना, पीपल के झाड़ के नीचे 5 आदमी जो बैठते हैं, वो पंचायत, अभी वो पंचायत बोला, वो उसका वर्ड बदली हो गया. सो दैट ऑल 5 रिस्पेक्टेबल पर्सन डूइंग जस्टिस वाज आर्बिट्रेशन. इट वाज इनफॉर्मल, नॉट मेबी फॉर्मल. एवरी डे वी सी, इवन इन से डोमेस्टिक डिस्प्यूट, बड़े चाचा ने बोला तो मैं मान लूंगी, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना. व्हाट इज दैट? वन सॉर्ट ऑफ मीडिएशन, है कि नहीं? मीडिएशन. नाउ व्हाट आर दी, सपोज यू वांट टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी, नॉर्मली व्हाट डू यू डू? No, that is okay, but how do you search the property? to broker. But firstly you may ask your neighbor also, भाई आपको बेचना है तो पहले हमको दे देना. तो डायरेक्ट नेगोशिएशन होता है, नेगोशिएशन डायरेक्ट. No third party is involved. Terms are known to both of you only. So this is first form of dispute resolution. You want to sell, you want to buy. There may be some difference of opinion. What is the date of possession? What is the agreement amount, etc. Hundreds of things. If it doesn't solve, then you will go to a broker. That is mediation. Mediation what? He will suggest some property. But are you bound to buy it? No. Are you bound to sell it? No. So mediation is a second form. His role is advisory. Don't I am just giving simple example. It is not necessarily same. Still he doesn't want, then what will happen? अभी वो सब टाई वाला corporate broker. Conciliation क्या करेंगे? पहले agreement बनाएंगे. इतना पहले advance commission दो तो हम दिखाएंगे property. That's binding now. You have to pay it. And they will reduce into writing. Okay. That is conciliation. But still that is not binding to you fully. And last is, suppose some dispute is there. Arbitration. Fourth form is arbitration. What is arbitration? Arbitration is the resolution of dispute by the parties, by a privately chosen judge who is called arbitrator, as per the procedures laid down by the parties and reduced into writing by the agreement. So this is the exhaustive definition of arbitration. So we will see one by one. No dispute, no arbitration. So what is the cornerstone of arbitration? Dispute. मियाँ बीबी राजी क्या करेगा? तो dispute तो foundation stone है उसका. Dispute. Now every dispute, what is dispute? चलो, what is dispute? चलो, एक आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is dispute?
Difference of opinion.
Difference of opinion. Is this correct answer? Is it a correct answer?
No.
Do you think is a correct answer? You are wearing blue shirt, I am wearing light blue shirt. There is a difference of opinion, but there is no dispute. Where is the dispute?
Difference of opinion on any commercial transaction.
Okay. Not only, chalo, we go to a shop. I go to a shop somewhere. He is showing me all black shirt. I want only white shirt. But is there any dispute? No. What is difference between difference of opinion and dispute? Somebody said just now, the difference of opinion is a foundation stone, which I did not agree. What is the difference between these two?
Dispute about the terms.
Difference which cannot be resolved results into a dispute. Correct? Difference is the beginning. Say partnership dispute. There are difference of opinion. What should be the remuneration? What should be the commission? What should be the mode of how many 2,400 should be the maximum audit or what, that will be discussed. But ultimately what happens? Difference which cannot be resolved results into dispute. So is dispute necessarily present dispute? चलो एक एक सोचने का ऐसा तो ये आगे बढ़ेंगे. Is it necessarily present dispute? No, it can be past, present or future. Can you past, so you know? He has already used the car of the firm, past dispute. He is using car of the firm, present dispute. He should not use the car of the firm, future dispute. Which car should be bought in the firm? That's also a future dispute. Whether the son of the partner should be inducted as a partner or not, future dispute. So these are the types of disputes. Is it necessary that dispute should be in cash only or check? But I mean monetary. It can be non-monetary. Can you give me non-monetary disputes example?
Being a managing partner or otherwise.
Okay, fine. That is one thing. Secondly, for example, say quality of the flowers supplied in the hotel is the issue. All pink color flowers were ordered. but he supplied all yellow. So where is the question of quantity, money coming into picture? But ultimately claim might be translated into money. But dispute is originating with non-monetary aspect. Building time पे खड़ी नहीं हुई. Time is the essence of contract. So dispute is what? हमने तो बोला था कि 3 महीने में बिल्डिंग रीडेवलप होनी चाहिए, 3 साल में नहीं हुआ. तो dispute is on the time. But how to translate that into a claim? That is another issue. Okay, fine. Now, another thing. Contractual versus non-contractual. Whether every dispute should be contractual, say partnership is a contract, building contract, supply, contract, purchase sale, contract, everything is contract. So commercial contracts having dispute is obviously understandable. But can you give me some example of dispute which are non-contractual?
Inheritance of property.
Inheritance. For example, you are born in a family. So by birth you have got a right in that family property. So when the partition is there, you have got a vested interest in that property. Okay, fine. So this is non-contractual. Is there any other way? Under a will of or a probate, you are entitled to certain proportion if it is as per your Hindu law or whatever. Okay. Then there is no contract between you. Somebody has prepared a will. But whether that will is applicable to you or not, if there is a dispute, then there is non-contractual. Okay. Now, whether a partner's son can be introduced, there is no contract at the moment with that son of the partner. There is non-contractual, but it is inter se amongst existing partners, there is a contract. So this is third category. Contractual resulting into non-contractual disputes. There is a possibility? Okay, fine. Now with this background, let us understand what is the scope and professional opportunity. We are all running after goddess Lakshmi, but this is the goddess of knowledge for which we have assembled today, and with her blessings only we can go ahead, nothing else. We have done all this, so we will not do this. This is me. This is Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Now, types of arbitration. Domestic arbitration. Simply, what is domestic arbitration and what is international commercial arbitration? Simply speaking, international commercial arbitration means what? One of the parties to the dispute is not from India. इतना लंबा चौड़ा डेफिनेशन है, 10 लाइन का, कोई पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है, एक ही लाइन का डिफरेंस. What is the answer? One party is not Indian, whether it is government, this, that, anything. One is other than Indian party. So it is international commercial arbitration. Now second category, domestic arbitration versus foreign arbitration. This is second thing. Place, this is qua party. International commercial arbitration was qua party, means one party was non-Indian. The domestic arbitration is qua situs, means place. If arbitration is conducted in India, then it is domestic arbitration. It is qua place, means if it is conducted in foreign country, you must be reading so many Singapore arbitration. Now after the ordinance, all Singapore arbitration will come back to Bombay again. You imagine the scope, tremendous scope will be there. Domestic arbitration, simply it is conducted in India. We will not go deep into which rules are applicable, that's a very advanced level course. Foreign arbitration. Now third type, ad hoc arbitration, which is not mentioned here. Ad hoc, दो पार्टनर में झगड़ा हो गया, ad hoc arbitration versus institutional arbitration. What is institutional? You are an investor. You purchase certain shares of say BSE, NSE, whatever, MCX, defunct exchange, whatever. There are institutional mechanism in those exchanges. You are bound by rules, regulations and bylaws of those exchanges. If you read the contract note, what is written below? Issued subject to rules, regulations and bylaws of this exchange. What is the difference between institutional and ad hoc? In ad hoc, you can appoint your own arbitrators. In institutional, there is a panel. So for which there is a whole list wherever there is a empanelment of arbitrators, and which is resulting into a scope of arbitration at various places. Now coming to institutional, there are set procedures. For example, once upon a time, NSE had a time limit of 6 months. If you do not file your claim within 6 months, it is time barred. So, can you say that law of limitation of 3 years should have applied to this arbitration? No, because you have agreed to buy shares on NSE subject to 6 months regulation. So, arbitration was also conducted. Now, of course, with the intervention of government, everywhere it is 3 years. So, law of limitation applies to arbitration proceedings as it applies to normal civil procedures. चलिए अभी एक जरा IPL खेलते हैं. Which disputes are arbitrable? वो तो आपको माइंड में होएगा ना कि मेरे पास कोई क्लाइंट आया. What are your roles? Either you can become an arbitrator, no qualification required, only 18 years age, sound mind and not insolvent. Even a beggar on the street can become an arbitrator. Any Indian, not nationality is also not required. Even Rahul Gandhi's mama can also become arbitrator in India from Italy. Yeah. So he can also become. Okay. He himself cannot become because he is not fit for anything. Unsound mind. So no qualifications are required. No nationality is required. Only he should be privately chosen. So what is the arbitration? Arbitration is a creation of parties. So long as you have trust, parties will enjoy that. If the parties lose the trust, it will be demolished. The whole edifice of arbitration is only on trust. Okay. So now let us come to further. Conciliation, I told you that he will reduce into writing. Okay. Now, why arbitration? First of all, why? If you read your tribunals, ITAT's chairs of the members, what is mentioned? Sulabh Nyay, Satwar Nyay. Cheaper justice, faster justice. It is mentioned over there. So that is the motto of what is DRP? What is DRP? Dispute. It is nothing but one type of arbitration. Instead of one judge hearing you, there are 3 judges hearing you. Actually, even ITOs are supposed to attend, but they are never attending. That is different matter. So it is nothing but mini arbitration going into. In ITAT, both the parties are arguing. So members have to hear both the parties and deliver the judgment. So, but there you have no choice which judge to appear. You can take adjournment, that is different matter. But you have no choice of the judge. But in private arbitration, you have got choice of the judges also. Now, so cheaper justice and faster justice is the motto. क्या हो गया भाई आनंद? ये चलता ही नहीं आगे. आ गया थोड़ा ये डिपार्टमेंट जैसा है, जरा धक्का लगाना पड़ता है. चलो, अल्टरनेटिव डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन. नेगोशिएशन इज अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड. वो घर घर में जो होता है ना, एकता कपूर की कहानी जैसा, ऐसा कुछ वो चलता नहीं है. छाछ भी कभी दही था, वो नहीं चलता है. मीडिएशन में क्या होता है? सीनियर पार्टनर विल डिसाइड. दैट इज इंटरनल मीडिएशन. नहीं है तो फिर retired ex-partner will definitely decide. That is conciliation. But arbitration means it is a binding high court decree. After arbitration award, only high court can decide only on 5-6 grounds. Nothing else. That we will see in few minutes from now. So it is recognized in the, all these concepts are recognized in Conciliation and Arbitration Act 1996. Now necessity of the act. It has shrunk the boundaries, and all these foreign companies, abhi now you must have read that infrastructure companies have also agreed to go for arbitration as a mandatory clause. What is the only requirement? That in your original agreement or in a supplementary agreement, there should be a mention of arbitration clause. That is the only requirement, nothing else. Now, because of this competition, justice delayed is justice denied. So we cannot afford to have civil courts are taking 15 years for admission only. What is the use of that justice? Three generations will change, nothing will happen. So increasing FDI, foreign direct investment, vibrant Gujarat अभी चल रहा है. You must have read, crores and billions of rupees funds are going to flow in. So they want faster justice. Why ordinance was pronounced just few days before Vibrant Gujarat? To attract confidence of more investors. Okay. So this is quick and etc. we have seen. Now, shortcomings. Many times arbitration agreements are very misleading. Unless arbitration agreement itself is very clear, it will not lead to sustainable award. Okay. Now, and if arbitration is not mandatory, parties will waive their rights to access the court. They will access the court. Section 89 of CPC, Civil Procedure Code, mandatorily requires that where there is a clause, courts are bound to honor that. Suppose आपका पार्टनरशिप डीड है, आप कभी चेंज किया नहीं है, वो फादर के जमाने से चलता आ रहा है, उसमें 1940 का 1996 भी नहीं किया है कितने लोगों ने लास्ट क्लोज में. If that clause goes to a court, court will say still there is an arbitration clause. Any amendment of 1940 Act will still apply. You please go for arbitration. You cannot come to the court. Courts are bound to encourage and force arbitration where there is a clause. Okay. Another dictum of arbitration. Third party cannot claim anything on the arbitration. Is this proposition correct? Can third party claim anything in arbitration? Suppose there are two partners, partnership firm. Can third party claim something in that arbitration? Unless arbitrator is deciding the rights affecting third party. Then natural justice requires that he should be heard. But by and large, without exception, third party has no right. Can third party ensure arbitration or enforce arbitration? No. But again, suppose there is a contract between a builder and the contractor, and subcontractor is also affected. Then in that case, through contractor he will be a party. Okay. Now Bombay High Court has given one judgment in which they have, very surprisingly held that even non-signatory to the contract can be bound by this. What is the meaning of this is that suppose there are 20% A group, 50% B group, A and B group has agreed. So indirectly there is a tacit consent of all 20 and 50% to go for arbitration. So even though everybody has not signed, there is a group versus group. So whole group is bound. That is Bombay High Court judgment. Okay. Now another thing is that so many retired judges and lawyers have made arbitration a 7-star practice. 20 years some arbitrations have been going on. I know of one arbitration in which one retired judge is going to Far East, Shillong, picnic every month. कुछ नहीं और एग्जाम करके वापस आने का. Now all this funfair is over. We will see the amendments. And lots of lawyers have converted arbitration into a courtroom. So there also the now courts have taken strict view. In fact, Delhi High Court has stopped allotting arbitrations to retired judges altogether. So another field for you. Are you aware that there is a court annexed arbitration in Bombay High Court? Are you aware? No. In Bombay High Court there is a panel. Court annexed arbitration. Any civil matter comes, suppose this courtroom is going on, partnership dispute for example. Mr. Counsel, why you are coming to the court? Clause number 9 is mandatory. You have arbitrator or I will give you the panel. Immediately they will be appointed from the panel. So this is another mode of section Companies Act 2013, amended up to 2014, section 442, mandatory mediation, where chartered accountant with 10 years experience and lawyer with 10 years experience are eligible for empanelment. Panel is already started, nobody is aware. मैं दूसरा सीखूंगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोस आउट, बस उससे आगे बढ़ने का ही नहीं है.
Panel is maintained by who? ROC or Department of?
MCA, of course, Department of Company Law Affairs. Okay, so mediation. So basic knowledge is necessary for everybody. There I have seen not only shareholder management, but any dispute touching the business of the company, whether referred by registrar, whether referred by company law board, whether referred by investors, whether referred by court, any authority dealing with company can also refer the matter to mediation. In there it is mediation. Now section 91 of Cooperative Societies Act. What is it? Any business of cooperative society, any dispute touching the business of cooperative society is mandatorily arbitrable by the panel maintained by registrar. So there also there is a tremendous. One day one member, you might be just by way of passing reference, I have nothing to do personally. Institute of CA is also running one full-time course, 36 hours course, certificate course on this. So it's a very elaborate and dedicated course. So I am faculty there, so many times some participants meet me after some years. So of course I cannot remember all names. So one fellow told me in another seminar, "Sir, thank you very much." I said, "What for? I have not started the lecture. Thank you means I have to go back or what?" He said, "No, you don't have to go back. You have to stay back. I want to thank you." He got 272 cases in 2 years. He was the monopoly arbitrator in XYZ city of Maharashtra, where he picked up by section 91 and empaneled himself with the cooperative bank, where there are at least 10 disputes per day. Every dispute he is sitting there only in the bank's premises. And I think probably he must have rented out his own office. That is a super profit. So this is another avenue. And last week I was in Calcutta. There people were asking me that whether the scope is similar in Calcutta. So not last week only. After Vikasa conference, next day I was there. Next day I was there, Sunday. That's why I was not there in that program of cultural. Same provisions are there. I saw. Their section 102. थोड़ा रसोगुल्ला, बाकी कुछ फर्क नहीं था उसमें. Same things were there. All state cooperatives are supposed to adopt the model bylaws with few words here and there. Okay. So now there is a opportunity in cooperative sector also. Insurance arbitration, चलो एक नया फील्ड. तो अपना DIRM कोर्स भी जो चलता है, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कोर्स, उसके अंदर भी है इंश्योरेंस आर्बिट्रेशन. There is one difference there. What is the difference? In case of insurance arbitration, one difference is it cannot apply to life insurance. Obviously, there is no dispute. आदमी dead है तो dead है. It is a matter of physical fact. But in general insurance, there is an arbitration clause of all the companies, same clause. But there is a catch. What is the catch? Insurance companies must first admit that this clause is covered in their policy, that they are not allowing the arbitrator to decide. Why? Because that will open Pandora's box. अभी 26 June की July 2005 or 6 flood of Bombay gave rise to hundreds of cases of loss by flood. Majority of the policies were not covering this natural rain clause. So that if once they admit, everything is arbitrable, and same principles apply in the same way and same fashion. Same way and same fashion. So this is the only difference in insurance arbitration. There also there is a tremendous scope. Now let me tell you what are the opportunities available to you. Number one, you can be appointed as the arbitrator. Number one, there is a panel there. Secondly, you can represent either the claimant or respondent in any normal arbitration. Thirdly, you may be also called upon as an expert because you know accounts, you know company law, you know finance, you know taxation, and you know general law. So you may be called upon to act as an expert because, for example, delay in construction of building, ultimately claim has to be translated. there are various complication cost sheets which many of the arbitrators may not be aware, like say architect, or they are not aware. Then ultimately some finance person has to certify. So expert. Okay. You may be also called upon as a witness. As a witness. It is possible, no? In some of the contracts, commercial contracts, you might have participated as an active person and you may be knowing the details of the case. So you may also be called upon as a witness. Is there any other role of professionals in arbitration? Is there any valuation? Expert valuation. For example, this plot was kept vacant for 6 months. So the value has fallen down. So who will decide? Some valuer has to decide, based on various factors. Social, financial, economic, whatever factors are there available with this. So valuation is another part. Now let me tell you, under Companies Act, valuation is still not notified. But mediation is notified. Remember this thing. So there is a scope over there also. Now which disputes are arbitrable? वो तो समझना चाहिए ना कौन सा dispute arbitrable है. Generally speaking, all civil disputes are arbitrable. अभी थोड़ा हम गेम IPL खेलते हैं, बीच में जरा डाइवर्जन हो गया अपना. मैं बोलूंगा अभी हाँ कि ना, बीच में तेरा सोच क्या बोलना, तो हाँ हाँ बागों में बाहर है, ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा. Whether disputes in a commercial contract arbitrable?
Yes.
Yes. Divorce?
Partly yes.
Partly yes. No. Family courts. Family courts are meant only for CA member versus CA member dispute. No, because there is a disciplinary committee. मेरे को फर्नेस में बहुत नुकसान हो गया, इसके लिए मेरे को 5 लाख लेबर कॉम्पेंसेशन चाहिए. इज इट आर्बिट्रेबल? मैनेजमेंट एंड नो, लेबर कोर्ट्स आर देयर. ओके. लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट, मैं ऐसे जा रहा था, पीछे वाले को लग गया, छाता लग गया मेरा. वो ट्रेन में होता है ना, मेट्रो में छाता लग गया, मेरे को 5 लाख का कॉम्पेंसेशन दे दो, चलो. इज इट आर्बिट्रेबल? नो, लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट इज नॉट आर्बिट्रेबल. सिविल. अच्छा. नाउ पोजेशन ऑफ द रेंटेड प्रॉपर्टी, इज इट आर्बिट्रेबल? नो. तो सामने स्मॉल कॉस्ट कोर्ट क्या करेगा? पिकेट रोड पे इतनी कोर्ट बड़ी खड़ी है. सेम वे एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जस्टिस, इमेजिन, आई विल नॉट नेम हिम, he arbitrated on the probate of a will. He was not knowing, retired Supreme Court judge was not knowing that will probate matters cannot be arbitrated. It is a matter of High Court. After 3 hearings, we have to tell him that you please step down. You are not eligible to arbitrate. He had to step down. So these matters cannot be. In short, what is the underlining essence? Where there are recovery of NPS by bank, not arbitrable. There is a debt recovery tribunal. In short, wherever there are separate judicial, quasi-judicial authority in civil disputes, they cannot be arbitrated. तो एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में ऐसा एक यंग लड़का खड़ा हो गया, तो व्हाट कैन आई डू, वो तो बताइए. मतलब अदर देन दिस एवरीथिंग इज अलाउड. Any civil, commercial or common contracts, disputes are arbitrable per se. Okay. Now, किसी को सुपारी दिया 5 करोड़ रुपए में उड़ा देने का, और उड़ा तो दिया उसने, 5 करोड़ दिया नहीं. Whether this is arbitrable? It's a void ab initio. And criminal cannot be. First of all, पहले अरेस्ट कर देगा सुपारी दिया तो. हाँ, नहीं सुपारी मतलब वो कलर सुपारी दिया तो चलेगा, लेकिन सुपारी वाला वो दिया तो क्रिमिनल नहीं चलेगा. ओके. ट्रस्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन, ट्रस्ट धर्मादा आयुक्त एनी बेसेंट रोड वर्ली, इज कमिश्नर, इज द ओनली अथॉरिटी. प्रॉपर्टी बेचना है तो भी उसका ही कंसेंट लेना पड़ेगा. ओके फाइन. इसको माइनर का गार्डियन अपॉइंट करने का है, यू कैन नॉट डू, दैट इज अ हाई कोर्ट. ओके. देन वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ ए कंपनी, तो फिर कंपनी कोर्ट क्या करेगा? ओके. लिक्विडेटर. मैटर्स ऑफ डाइवोर्स बोल दिया, ल्यूनेसी प्रोसीडिंग, दूसरे को तो पागल बोलता है लेकिन खुद भी पागल होता है. Lunacy proceeding, no, can be declared only by the courts. And dispute illegal contract बताया ना मैंने, illegal contract. हाँ, एक चीज FSI 5 के बदले FSI 2 के बदले 3 ले लिया. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मेरा कंस्ट्रक्शन का है. हाउ आई एम कंसर्न, मेरे को तो आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन करने को बोला, मैं कर दिया. आई एम नॉट कंसर्न विद FSI वायोलेशन ऑफ योर्स. दैट इज बिटवीन यू एंड योर म्युनिसिपैलिटी. मेरा तो कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या है? कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ना. आई एम नॉट कंसर्न विद वायोलेशन मेड बाय द क्लाइंट. सो अंडर इलीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, वन विच इज voidable at the option of one party, and if your rights are legally established or establishable, then that portion can be arbitrated. इंसॉल्वेंसी भी आर्बिट्रेशन नहीं हो सकता है. इंसॉल्वेंसी अपना तो स्पेशल असाइन गए है ना सब अपना तो. अच्छा, ओके. एंड कॉम्पिटिशन एक्ट नहीं, वो भी नहीं हो सकता है. मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग वो भी नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है, वो अपन देख लिया. अभी एक्ट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट. डोमेस्टिक आर्बिट्रेशन समझ गया अभी आप लोगों को. क्वा प्लेस, हमारा जब भी सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स खत्म होता है, एवरीबॉडी स्पीक्स लाइक दिस, नो डिस्प्यूट नो आर्बिट्रेशन. और एग्जाम में वही कोई पेपर सेटर ने डाल दिया, 2 पेज भर भर के लिख दिया, सबको 80 मार्क आ गया. डोमेस्टिक आर्बिट्रेशन सीख लिया हम लोगों ने. एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ फॉरेन अवार्ड्स. नाउ देयर आर जजमेंट दैट फॉरेन अवार्ड्स कैन नॉट बी इंटरफियर्ड बाय द इंडियन कोर्ट्स. कंसिलिएशन प्रोसीजर 3rd पार्ट एंड सप्लीमेंट्री प्रोविजन 4th पार्ट. नाउ आर्बिट्रेशन एग्रीमेंट ओनली 2 रिक्वायरमेंट, कोई फॉर्मेट नहीं है, जैसे भी लिखना है लिखो, लेकिन 2 रिक्वायरमेंट. इट मस्ट मीन राइटिंग एंड इट मस्ट बी साइन्ड बाय द पार्टीज. ओके, सिंपल. लंबा लंबा डेफिनेशन होता है लेकिन आइटम उसमें 2 ही होता है. मस्ट बी साइन्ड बाय द पार्टीज and must be in writing. That means oral arbitration cannot survive. तो अभी एक एग्जाम में एक एग्जामिनर ने पूछा, एक जन ने ईमेल लिखा, जैसे बच्चे लोग लिखते हैं ना आजकल व्हाट्सएप पे, ऐसा ईमेल लिखा that this quality of the flower supplied by you is poor, say for example. उसने बोला no, it is not poor, it is super. तो उसने लिखा you have to pay me so much. उसने no, I will not pay so much. Is this a contract of arbitration? No. This is only dispute going on. But if he says, no, we will pay you whatever Mr. X decides, then opposite person says, no, okay, I will also accept his decision. This is in writing. Whether physical or electronic. Now, law of evidence is amended. 2 sub questions. Whether law of evidence applies to arbitration? No. ये विटनेस को बुलाने का, ऐसा करने का, वैसा करने का, वो सब खत्म कर दिया है, कुछ नहीं. Some of my important and interesting arbitration, if I tell you, I cannot finish up to 12 o'clock also. But one line I will tell you. In most of the arbitration, PSU में बहुत मजा आता है. Free for all. PSU वाले 10-10 जन आएंगे और हम वो दीवार की माफी अकेला. तुम्हारे पास गाड़ी है, घोड़ा है, सब है, हमारे पास खाली माँ है, अपना नॉलेज से फाइट करने का. उसका विटनेस जो हम लोग क्रॉस एग्जामिन कर रहा था, तो विटनेस को डरा के भगा दिया उन्होंने, दूसरी बार आया ही नहीं विटनेस. तो उसके बाद पीएसयू का काउंसिल खड़ा होकर बोलता है, आई वाज रिप्रेजेंटिंग ऑफ कोर्स क्लेमेंट एंड पीएसयू वाज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सम देयर इन हाउस पीपल एंड ऑल दैट. सो आर्बिट्रेटर वाज अ माइनिंग इंजीनियर कम लॉयर, मतलब 3 टेस्ट पेपर, माइनिंग इंजीनियर प्लस लॉयर. ऑफ कोर्स उधर ऐसा ही होता है, बिहार, यूपी, पटना सब ऐसा ही होता है. But he was double qualified. So he said that PSU said, no, witness is absent, let us close the arbitration, ex parte. बोलता भैया बैठो, he is not a party to the arbitration. Witness is a third party. Maximum you can discharge the witness. You can't close the arbitration and say arbitration is over and pass the ex parte award. Imagine what type of guts people have got. An arbitrator says yes. And I had to read the definition of 2H. I said party means party to the arbitration. Witness is not a party to the arbitration. He is a visitor. He is a guest. He is an outsider. He is a supporter or destroyer, whatever. but he is not the party to the arbitration. तो then arbitration continued. एक चीज ध्यान में रखिए, arbitration must go on. Once the arbitration is started, it is like a potter's wheel. It must take the shape of a pot. However bad or good it may be, it's a High Court decree. You can challenge only under the prescribed circumstances. We will see in a few minutes. Okay. Now, when there is an agreement, it is mandatory for the court to refer. Okay. Now, एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, समझो पार्टनरशिप का डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है, वो पार्टनर बैलेंस ही उठा के भाग गया, न रहेगा बांस न बजेगी बांसुरी। अभी पार्टनरशिप अकाउंट में पैसा ही नहीं है तो अवार्ड का क्या करेगा वो? तो इंटरिम मेजर्स ड्यूरिंग द पेंडेंसी ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन, मतलब whether to appoint the guardian, securing the amount, securing the subject matter of this, etc. अभी मिठाई में जहर है, पॉइजनस मिठाई आ गई कैटरिंग में, तो इट हैज टू बी डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ समवेयर। तो सिक्योरिंग द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ द डिस्प्यूट है कि नहीं? ओके। देन डिटेंशन, वो बिल्डिंग 6 माला ऊपर लगा दिया था, वो तोड़ दिया, तो कल तो बोलेगा मैंने तो 5 माला ही लगाया था। To preserve the matter under dispute, either negatively or positively, that is not our lookout. What judge has to sue? जैसे जज थोड़ा बुद्धू वगैरह चलेगा, लेकिन इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए। What is the best qualification of arbitrator? Independence of mind, natural justice. He is not concerned with judgments and case laws. That both the parties will quote. He has to order, listen, खाली सुनने का है उसको, बाकी कुछ नहीं करने का है। Okay, and interim measures, whatever they feel fit, can be given by the court as well as by the arbitrator. Both have got concurrent power. Now, appointment of arbitrator. Can arbitrator be even number? 2, 4, 6? क्यों? It will result into tie. So it must be mandatorily odd. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the maximum number of arbitrators? ये भी एक बार एग्जाम में पूछा, सब लोग कंफ्यूज हो गया। Unlimited, as many as you can afford. There is no limit. Is there any limits up to which you can accept arbitration assignments? ये कोई कंपनी देख नहीं है कि 20 ऑडिट करके खत्म कर देने, ऐसा नहीं है। एक डॉक्टर एक दिन में 20 कैटरेक्ट कर सकता है, लेकिन ऑडिटर को साल में 20 ऑडिट करने का। That is the charitable nature of profession. Okay. Now, he has to be independent and impartial. Impartiality is the highest qualification. No other qualification is required. So, as I told you, most of the arbitrators are either CA, engineer, retired judges, advocates, and professionals. Now, retired judges will mostly go out of this profession. Why? Because उनको तो क्या है, पेपर पढ़ने का 50,000 रुपए चाहिए था, वो सब खत्म कर दिया अभी। Total arbitration fees will be fixed. Take it or leave it. So there is a good opportunity for real professionals. That was a mockery of arbitration, in fact, by them. Now, numbers shall not be even, that I have told you. Now, just as you go to 224(1)(b, अभी 149 अपना जो है, Companies Act, independence. Somebody comes to you for appointment as an arbitrator. You have to say in writing that there are no justified doubts to doubt my impartiality. Okay. And not only that, he has to continue that independence. Arbitrator का बाद में claimant का sister से शादी हो गया चालू arbitration में, तो क्या होएगा? He is a relative under section 56(2) of the Income Tax Act, and he has to resign immediately. That I am now not independent and interested party, so he has to resign. And if somebody comes to know of this later on, award will be challenged on the basis of partiality. So imagine, no dispute, remember, no dispute, no arbitration. No valid agreement, no valid arbitration. And no independence of mind, no independence of award. इतना 3 फैक्टर के ऊपर पूरा आर्बिट्रेशन एक्ट वर्ल्ड में चल रहा है। ओके। नाउ, इफ सपोज सिंगल आर्बिट्रेटर है, renowned CA of Bombay will be appointed as arbitrator. अभी इसके ऊपर डिस्प्यूट कि renowned CA कौन है, पहला जो 2500 ऑडिट करता है वो रिनाउंड है कि 5 करता है वो रिनाउंड है? वो इज मोर रिनाउंड. उसके ऊपर डिस्प्यूट में डिस्प्यूट. So if they don't agree, then ultimately they have to go to court for appointment of arbitrator. Otherwise, one party will appoint each, and if it turns to be even, then they will appoint one presiding arbitrator. Now umpire word is gone. Umpire was in 1948. Now it's called presiding arbitrator. Okay? Why? They will appoint, and they don't appoint presiding arbitrator. Then also parties have to go to court for appointing presiding arbitrator. Now another sideline. एक महान अपना आर्बिट्रेशन चल रहा था, उसके अंदर जो भी आर्बिट्रेटर प्रपोज करेगा एक पार्टी, दूसरा रिजेक्ट ही कर देगा. तो पहले ने बोला अभी तुमने रिजेक्ट कर दिया तो ये मेरा आर्बिट्रेटर सोल आर्बिट्रेटर बन गया. इज इट ट्रू? नो. व्हाट इज द क्रिएशन? आर्बिट्रेशन इज द क्रिएशन ऑफ पार्टीज. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर? वन ईच. तो वन ईच होना ही चाहिए, और सामने वाला नहीं करता है तो कोर्ट के थ्रू होएगा, लेकिन होना तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. दैट फेलो हु इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द फर्स्ट पर्सन डज नॉट बिकम द सोल आर्बिट्रेटर बाय हिमसेल्फ. ओके. एंड देयर चीफ जस्टिस हैज गिवन पावर टू ऑल द हाई कोर्ट जजेस. व्हेनेवर द पिटिशंस कम, they are appointed arbitrator from the court and ex arbitrators mostly. Okay. Now Institute of CA is also maintaining a panel of arbitrators who have cleared this exam. In between, I want to show you three things opportunity wise. Just somebody, yeah. Please download this from the internet. This is only on alternative dispute resolution. This book, you can write down this. And this is a book which is written by, not because written by me only, that's why, but it's the institute's material. And this is a magazine you are supposed to read. And here also you become member. And there lots of opportunities you are getting, and you get the arbitration. This is Indian Council of Arbitration. There also you can become a member by paying requisite fees and 2 introducers. Okay, there also you can become. So these 3 things I am circulating to you. Okay. Now, termination of arbitrator. वो 6 महीना बाहर चला जाता है, लड़के के साथ यूएस रहता है, so there is undue delay. What is the motto? Sulabh Nyay, Satwar Nyay. So that is lost. So then you can apply for termination. But there is no power of removal of arbitrator. Let me tell you. No power of removal of arbitrator at all. Why? Privately chosen judge. Okay. Now there is a section 12(3)(a) of the Arbitration Act. What it says? If you find that your own appointed arbitrator becomes biased against you, then you can say you are biased, and he has to decide whether he is biased or not. If he feels I am biased, he has to resign. If he does not resign, you can challenge that bias in the court when the award is published. Okay. There are 2 possibilities under which there are disqualification. The arbitrator must be mining engineer with LLB degree. Specific qualification. If he does not possess, then he is disqualified, or he has given some fake certificate, and which you later on come to know. Then also you can challenge his appointment. Like your auditor's appointment, qualification and disqualification. Now, de jure and de facto. De jure and de facto. De facto मतलब simply chief engineer of MACB will be the arbitrator. लेकिन chief engineer का post ही abolish हो गया, तो how there can be arbitrator? Then there is no question. Then you have to go to the court. De jure. You were supposed to be chief engineer of MACB, but you are under impeachment. So by order of court, you cannot become arbitrator simply. Or somebody is declared say insolvent. De jure by operation of law. De facto. But suppose अभी हमारा लेटर कैसे लिखती है? ITO 111. So is he by name? No. It is by designation. Same way in arbitration. Suppose the clause says you have to appoint chief engineer of MACB. Whoever comes there. But once appointed, he can continue till he leaves the post. Or if the clause says he can conclude also even after retirement. But suppose he is transferred to say Sangli to Nagpur, still he can be appointed. There is no harm, de facto and de jure. Okay. Now when next arbitrator comes, like ITO, old records continue. He can ask new questions or new hearing, but need not do or did not repeat everything. That is discretion of the arbitrator. Okay. Now conduct, code of civil procedure does not apply. Indian Evidence Act does not apply क्योंकि faster justice. Okay. Now parties can lay down कि भाई witness चाहिए ही नहीं हमको, तो then arbiter cannot insist on witness. Okay. Now law of limitation is applicable. वो हमने पहले ही डिस्कस कर दिया. चलो ये गूगली. How do you count law of limitation? Running account between investor and the broker. लिया दिया पैसा दिया ले शेयर लिया दिया सब किया. What is the last date? From that law of limitation will apply. मेरा बीच में पेएबल भी हो गया, रिसीवेबल भी हो गया. पेएबल भी हो गया जैसे टैक्स ऑडिट में करते हैं ना, मैक्सिमम बैलेंस ड्यू ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. सो लास्ट बैलेंस मेरा जब भी पेएबल नहीं रिसीवेबल है, फ्रॉम दैट डेट आई हैव टू काउंट 3 years. Are you with me? There is law of limitation. First in first out. लास्ट बैलेंस जो बचा उसके ऊपर गिन लेने का. ओके. तो एक बार एक जन ने बोला कि भाई लैंग्वेज कौन सी होनी चाहिए आर्बिट्रेशन की. तो एक बार दिल्ली में मैं गया था कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट के काम से, तो कुछ जेरोक्स लेना था. तो मैं सरदार जी की, कोई सरदार जी तो नहीं है ना, दुकान पे देखा सभी भाषाओं में जेरोक्स किया जाता है. बोर्ड लगाया था सरदार जी ने. सभी मेरे को ख्याल आया कि भाई लैंग्वेज ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन कैन बी एनी लैंग्वेज. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है उसके अंदर, इफ इट गोज टू कोर्ट देन अगेन दे विल नीड इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन. वो तो फिर इधर नहीं तो फिर इधर से पकड़ेगा, तो डबल खर्चा हो जाएगा. उससे तो अच्छा है कि पहले से ही एटलीस्ट इंग्लिश नहीं तो हिंदी तो रखे, इफ नथिंग एल्स. बट सम ऑफ द जजेस डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश आल्सो. अय्यो अम्मा कुरकुरी अल्लाह, तो वो भी तो नहीं समझेगा. वो हिंदी में नहीं समझेगा, इंग्लिश ही चाहिए उनको. तो ठीक है. तो प्लेस कैन बी एनी प्लेस ऑफ एग्री. Bullion Merchant Association, Diamond Merchant Association, place will be in BKC only. Diamond Merchants Association hall उधर ही होएगा, no choice. Institutional arbitration. But in ad hoc arbitration, शिलोंग में जाके करो ना, किधर भी करो. So long as parties can afford, there is no harm. Okay. उसमें भी क्या होता है, पहला claim by the claimant, statement of defense by the respondent. Is there any need to give second chance to the claimant? Legally no, but should you give? Yes. क्योंकि respondent कभी कभी उल्टा सुल्टा लिख देता है. तो at least claimant should get second chance to rebut whatever nonsense is written by the respondent. And what law says, once you give second chance to the claimant, you must give second chance to respondent. So claim, defense, rejoinder, sir rejoinder. उसके बाद भी sir rejoinder, then sir rejoinder, like that great children जैसा. ठीक है? That is possible. Now hearings can be written, it can be oral, it can be both, it can be none, as per the procedure laid down. Settlement during the, अभी arbitration जैसे वो तपश्चर्या करते हैं ना, 50 दिन का तपश्चर्या चालू किया, 2 दिन के बाद भारी लगता है, अभी मेरे से उपवास सहन नहीं होता है, तो क्या ब्रेक करेगा. ऐसे आर्बिट्रेशन में भी 2 दिन चला, 3 दिन चला, अभी मांडवली कर लेते हैं. इज दैट पॉसिबल? यस. इनफैक्ट सेक्शन 30 रिक्वायर्स आर्बिट्रेटर. फर्स्ट मीटिंग में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही होना चाहिए, तो भाई आपका क्लेम क्या है, आर यू रेडी टू सेटल, जरा बाहर जाके डिस्कस करके आओ. मतलब नहीं ये पॉसिबल है तो ही आर्बिट्रेशन चालू होएगा. बीच में भी कोई सेटलमेंट होता है तो इट इज बाउंडन ड्यूटी ऑफ द आर्बिट्रेटर. ओके. नाउ कम टू द अवार्ड. अवार्ड मतलब डिसीजन ऑफ द आर्बिट्रल ट्राइब्यूनल. इट इज कॉल्ड आर्बिट्रल ट्राइब्यूनल. प्रोसीडिंग्स आर कॉल्ड आर्बिट्रल प्रोसीडिंग्स. ओके. सो Decision of the arbitral tribunal will be by the majority. अभी जो माइनॉरिटी है वो साइन नहीं करता है तो क्या कर देगा, चलो आ जाओ, मतलब मैं तो साइन करूं ही कौन नहीं, ऐसा ही बोल देगा। तो 3 आर्बिट्रेटर है, 2 जन ने एक बाजू डिसीजन दे दिया, तीसरा बोलता है मैं साइन भी नहीं करूंगा, जा तेरे से जो करने का है कर। डिस्प्यूट अमंग आर्बिट्रेटर्स, तो क्या करने का? नो, देयर इज नो नीड। दिस इज कॉल्ड सुप्रीमेसी ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन। सो लॉन्ग एज proof is adduced in the award stating the reason that why it is signed by majority not by all, वो लिखेगा हमने 3 बार रजिस्ट्री से भेजा, he has neither written the dissenting award, dissenting award होता है ना, वो लिखेगा I am unable to concur with the learned brethren if any of above said, I might give my award as follows। नीचे क्या लिखेगा again by majority, this is the 2 versus 1 or whatever, 5 versus 1 whatever, 4 versus 1 whatever, but he does not sign, then results are to be given and proof has to be given that he was called, he was given chance, but he has refused to sign। क्या फर्क पड़ता है उसमें? Ultimately तो majority wins ना। So this is finest point of arbitration। Award must be in writing। What is the main difference between old act and new act? Old act did not require any reasoning of award। New act mandatorily requires reasons for award। पहले क्या बोलेगा, I give 40 लाख रुपीज टू X, मेरी मर्जी, वो अपना गाना आता है ना ऐसा, मेरी मर्जी, गौरंग पटेल, इसमें सब कुछ नहीं है, मेरी मर्जी नहीं, रीजन देना पड़ेगा। Where is the statement of claim says this, the statement of defense is, witness said this, expert said this page number this says this evidence says this, so I am able to convince myself that the claim number 1 of the claimant is genuine and deserves to be awarded like this. Reasoning. There are 2 exceptions where reasoning are not required. What is the reasoning? एक तो मांडवली कर लिया, तो रीजनिंग का सवाल ही नहीं, एग्री हो गया ना कि भाई इसने फ्लावर क्वालिटी पुअर था, 10 लाख दे दिया, खत्म हो गया मामला। But they have signed, so it has to be still converted into award, so it becomes high court decree. Okay. Now another thing, parties themselves say we don't want result, so there is no need। Okay, now as I said, arbitration is the creation of the parties, so parties themselves don't want the result, so there is no need to give the reason। Okay, now just as you can give interim audit report, same way you can also give interim award, and if you give interim award, why? Because there is some possibility of destruction or something like that, and interim award is necessary। In that case, it is ideal to repeat whole thing in the main award so that there is no confusion। Okay, now challenge, this is the most important part। Only on this ground you can challenge the award, that the party furnishes proof of some incapacity, वो माइनिंग इंजीनियर था ही नहीं, incapable to enter। Arbitration agreement is not valid under the law of tort, for example, it is not eligible only। And third thing is, अपॉइंटमेंट का नोटिस ही बरोबर नहीं दिया था और आर्बिट्रेशन चालू हो गया और खत्म भी कर दिया, the natural justice violation। And fourthly, it is outside the scope, quality of the flower was the issue, तो क्वांटिटी का सवाल किधर से आ गया? Exceeding the scope of the arbitration proceedings। Okay, तो composition of arbitral tribunal, एक मैं इंटरेस्टिंग इश्यू बताता हूँ। Some time is there or we have to wind up? Yeah, हाँ, 5 minutes। अच्छा, I said 5 minutes, then I have to wind up। वो तो थैंक यू जैसा हो गया, पहले ही मिनट पर थैंक यू बोला, मैं बोला जाने का, चलो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। केबीसी मैंने आई वाज आर्बिट्रेटेड वन प्लेस, केबीसी कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, एग्जैक्ट 20 लाख शेयर, सॉरी 5 लाख शेयर इंटू 20 रुपया, वो जमाने में 1 करोड़ रुपया। फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई कैरियर आई सो दैट इन्वेस्टर इज चीटिंग द ब्रोकर। अनयूजुअल नो, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड द स्टोरीज वाइस वर्सा। तभी डीमेट का जमाना नहीं था, उसने क्या किया, ब्रोकर का ऑफिस में जाके प्यून से थप्पा मरवा लिया कि आई हैव डिलीवर्ड दिस शेयर्स टू यू और आज का भाव उसका 20 रुपया है, मैंने 5 लाख शेयर दिया, तुमने तो मेरे को दिया नहीं, 1 करोड़ का क्लेम दो विद इंटरेस्ट पेनल्टी एंड लीगल कॉस्ट। 1998 आज उसका कम से कम 5 करोड़ तो मिनिमम वैल्यू है, बरोबर है? तो ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज द रिपोर्टेड केस इन आवर बुक ऑल्सो। इन एक्सचेंज मैकेनिज्म देयर आर क्राइटेरिया, जैसे कैसा है आईटीओ अप टू 20 लाख, एसी अप टू 20 लाख, ऐसा उधर भी लिमिट है। 5 लाख तक single arbitrator, above 5 lakh there were 2 arbitrators. Although they were aware, they were appointing 2 arbitrators. And there the system was that in case of dispute, they were to appoint 3rd umpire, not otherwise. ठीक है, तो 2 arbitrator ने judgment दे दिया कि broker has to pay 22 lakhs to the investor and remaining 78 lakh is cancelled. It is dropped. So there was an internal appeal in the exchange. In which what happened? Broker went into appeal for not paying 22 lakhs and investor went into appeal for getting 78 lakhs more. Cross appeal हो गया ना सामने सामने। तो 5 composition of the 5 जन को रखा था। One was a solicitor, myself was CA with law, third was a company secretary, fourth was a cost accountant and fifth was a BSc member. That time you allowed. 5 का 5 को investor was giving a threat, hopeless threats he was giving, on the border of almost you can say murder type, criminal type, nothing doing. Then the time came for writing the award. Everybody is disgusted, क्या लिखने का इसमें? I have written 106 page award. 106 page typed award. You must imagine how much pains I must have taken. Fully deleted, nothing to be paid by the broker and 2 lakhs cost to be awarded to the investor. ठीक है, उधर तक तो हो गया। तो अभी 34 में गया, तो ये चैलेंज द ब्लास्ट मेरे को इसके ऊपर से याद आ गया। The constitution of the arbitral tribunal is wrong. There was no prescription in the bylaws of the exchange that there should be of the 5 professions, but they had chosen 5 deliberately so that there is a total independence of mind and varieties of views are expressed. Everybody had agreed with the views which I had written, but nobody wanted to write such a big award. After that what happened? He went into section 34. High court में arbitration award cannot be challenged for more than 5-7 minutes. It was heard for 3 hours, 4 days, non-stop, 12 hours High Court hearing. Single judge, Justice Chandrachud, now he is the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, right? So, Dhananjay Chandrachud. And thereafter no judgment was delivered for 2-3 months. तो कोर्ट में चलता है ना, अभी इसके ऊपर भी आ गया restriction. They have to pass within certain time. One day on the board there was a notice, chamber summons to both the parties. They all went. And he praised investor so much. You argued this, you argued that, this is nice, these judgments are nice, this, that, etc. You can collect my order from my secretary. He rushed and went to his secretary and collected the order. Fully confirmed award. Not satisfied. Then he went to division bench, section 37. That is called appeal, if he is not satisfied. This is called challenge, that is called appeal. They got before division bench, 2 judges, Bombay High Court. They threw away in 7 minutes flat, dismissed with cost. That man was not to relent, relentless man. He went to Supreme Court, admitted. Supreme Court will normally admit such type of petition because it's a highly debatable issue, that's why. I had written only one line which developed into 106 pages, including British case laws I had quoted, in which I have written that this transaction is not taken place on the floor of the exchange. Mere giving of delivery does not amount to contract to pay. And once it is out of the contract, this arbitral tribunal does not have jurisdiction. Simple. And on that basis, I have developed 106 type pages. ठीक है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट उधर भी 3 मिनट का 25 लाख रुपया खर्चा हो जाता है, आना जाना रहना फीस वगैरह, बरोबर. 39 minutes it was argued, 39 by both the parties. And in this case, exchange was also made a party because of public interest. Otherwise, stock exchange is third party becoming interested. Are you getting the exception? Stock exchange also argued. And Justice Ban was there, Supreme Court judge that time. He banged the table with this full file of award. He said, Mr. Petitioner, plaintiff, are you withdrawing this appeal or I will levy double the cost? He said, no, I will not withdraw. Openly Supreme Court, I will not withdraw. Okay. Confirm with cost and notice to the exchange that in future such investors should be debarred. Still, he did not rest. There is a review petition in Supreme Court for which you have to give 5 senior counsels written consent, which nobody will give. Somehow we get bought, and it was again dismissed with cost. Now the reported case law. I just mentioned that red book. There is a Trusted Securities versus Suresh Kabra, Apro Baiji. Trusted Securities Limited versus Suresh Kabra. Okay, चलो ठीक है, जाने दो. Now cost, अभी अपने को जान को जीवन में इंटरेस्ट होता है ना, मारे खाए मिर्ची, बरोबर ना. तो इसमें क्या है, फीस एंड एक्सपेंसेस कैन ऑल्सो बी अवॉर्डेड इन द कॉस्ट. मेरा फीस कितना हो सकता है वो मैं ही डिसाइड करूंगा ना, उसके ऊपर डिस्प्यूट होता है कभी कभी. नाउ विथ वन प्लेस कोर्ट अपॉइंटेड वन आर्बिट्रेटर. पार्टी से आई विल पे यू 500 rupees. You expect 50,000, but I have no capacity. So what is the duty of the arbitrator? Can he impose his fees? No. He has to resign. Okay. Now, tribunal can also decide who will share the fees and the cost of the arbitration. Can arbitrator give interest on the claim amount? Can he award interest?
Yes.
From which date? अभी मैं आपको 10 ऑप्शन देता हूं, एक नहीं. From the date he was required to supply the goods, from the date he did not receive the payment, from the date of the contract, from date of the delivery, from date of the invocation of the arbitration, from date of the appointment of arbitrator, from date of filing of the claim, from date of defense, or from date of award, or from date of non-payment. 10 तो मिनिमम दिया, और भी दे सकता हूं. Which is the correct answer?
Cause of action.
Cause of action. Cause of action. What is cause of action?
The date on due date on which the payment was not paid.
But is arbitrator bound to give from that date only? Discretion is there. He can award from any date. All 10 are perfectly valid if there is no mention in the agreement. Agreement is supreme. Agreement is supreme. Okay. So any date he can give. Can he give exorbitant rate of interest? No. If rate of interest is not mentioned, then he has to give only 15%. Okay. Now, advance में भी fee ले सकता है. Intervention of the court is a little advanced issue, so that we will not deal with today. Now, conciliation proceedings also not important for you now. Yes, conciliation matter also civil nature, breach of contract and dispute of movable property, that can be referred. Now, let us come to this ordinance part, which is issued on 29th. Now, within 9 months they are supposed to make award. पहले नहीं था कुछ भी, 10-10 साल तक आर्बिट्रेशन चलता था. अभी वो फन फेयर बंद हो गया है. Retired judges made it a full-time business without any investment and full mockery of justice. When you are arguing, you will read WhatsApp and SMS, even though you cannot read. You will try to read it. So that was a full mockery. And if the court finds that he has deliberately delayed, he can be debarred for 3 years for accepting. Now, Indian Council of Arbitration has got one clause that person above 80 years are debarred. He cannot read only, he cannot walk only. There is a question of appointing him. So in my one of the co-arbitrators, 181 years arbitrator was there. So I found out to my utter surprise and pleasure that he is 81 years old. And not that I am 80 years old, but I found and I wrote to ICA that how we are appointing that. He says rule says that he cannot be appointed above 80 years. But once appointed he can continue for any number of years. Imagine the situation. And ultimately he died in between the arbitration. So automatically there was a casual vacancy which was filled up in the same way. Okay. Now public policy of India. पहले क्या था? Everything was contested as against public policy. तो सो पाइप वर्सेस ONGC फेमस केस लो. ऐसा अपना ऑडिटिंग स्टूडेंट માટે को एक ही केस लो आता है, किंगस्टन कॉटन मिल. ऐसा आर्बिट्रेशन वाले सब पेपर में एक ही केस लो आता है खाली. ONGC वर्सेस सो पाइप सीधा लिख देता है. उसको दिखाने के लिए एग्जामिनर को कि मेरे को पास कर दो, तो वो लिखने का नहीं. ओके. तो नाउ दैट आल्सो इज अ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड डेफिनेशन कर दिया है उसका. नाउ न्यू प्रोविजन इज दैट कोर्ट हैज टू डिसाइड विद इन 1 ईयर 34 एप्लीकेशन भी. पहले उनका भी टाइम लिमिट कोई नहीं था. ओके. नाउ 36 सेक्शन में भी है कि मियर फाइलिंग ऑफ एन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ चैलेंजिंग द अवार्ड वुड नॉट ऑटोमेटिकली स्टेट द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द अवार्ड. अभी ये हमारा इन्वेस्टर क्या करता था, आगे आगे चलता ही गया, 2 लाख भी डिपॉजिट नहीं करता था. नाउ दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. मियर फाइलिंग ऑफ अपील लिखते हैं आईटीओ लोग, मियर फाइलिंग ऑफ अपील डज नॉट अमाउंट टू स्टे. ऐसा इधर भी ऐसा ही आ गया है. ओके. नाउ ऑर्डिनेंस सेकंड पेज एंड लास्ट पेज, डोंट वरी. नाउ सेक्शन 36, सॉरी तो हो गया. नाउ न्यू सेक्शन 11 दैट अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ आर्बिट्रेटर शैल बी डिस्पोज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट विद इन 60 डेज. उनको भी टाइम लिमिट है, सब टाइम बाउंड. Everything is time bound now. Now, एक न्यू सब क्लोज भी डाला है कि while appointing the arbitrator, fix the fees of the arbitrator. बताया ना, उधर ही फीस हो जाएगी फिक्स. तो बाद में उसके ऊपर डिस्प्यूट में डिस्प्यूट नहीं होएगा. उसके अलावा भी काफी इसके अंदर प्रोविजंस है. नाउ क्वेरीज इफ एनी. इफ देयर आर नो क्वेरीज देयर आर 2 मीनिंग्स.
What if it is not disposed of?
What is the judge will be responsible, and whatever arbitrator I have proposed will become final.
No, if it is not disposed of by the.
No, I am telling that I have appointed one person. He is not appointing.
No. He is given different. He says if time will be given 2 years to dispose of.
Then you can write to Chief Justice and he will immediately take action against that judge. They will have to do it. Yes, please.
If the dispute takes place in India and arbitration takes place in Ceylon, which law will apply?
Yes. Which law? That is there. These are all we are dealing with in the full-time course of 36 hours, which I tried to cover in almost 60 minutes. First of all, party's choice. There are party's choice, whether Sri Lankan laws or Indian laws. Now, among laws, act will prevail over the substance and rules and judgments. And thirdly, if there is a dispute among them, then the arbitrator will decide either 2 of these. But normally in international arbitration, it is always mentioned which law will apply. Yes, please.
If the situation may arise, what is legal in India is illegal in.
Possible. So now this is called cross-border arbitration. तो इंटरनेशनल आर्बिट्रेशन में हमारा 3 आवर्स का फुल रहता है, इसमें सब रहता है. बट वन लाइन आंसर इज party's choice is supreme. Party's choice is supreme. But failing which arbitrator has got leeway, discretion, faster justice, cheaper justice. That is the motto.
Law of natural justice.
Yeah, natural justice. Any other question, please? Yes, sir.
These retired judges are bad for being appointed.
No, not bad. So who said? Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court is not. Don't say it is bad. They will all sue me once. Immediately they will immediately sue me.
No, otherwise what I am saying the same thing. They will.
Delhi High Court has passed a week that normally retired judges should not be appointed.
No, they will re-enter from the back door saying I am advocate. Isn't it?
Will they accept that position? Me, Shivaji. That is the ego. Position. और वही एडवोकेट को जो 25,000 मिलेगा वो 25 लाख मांगता है. लाइफ का जितना सैलरी नहीं उतना एक आर्बिट्रेशन में कमा लिया उन्होंने. एनीवे now coming just 2 minutes apart from this out of syllabus thing, scope वाली बात, जितने भी empanelment है उसका मैं लिस्ट विजय भाई को दे दूंगा, तो he will give it because officially it is not proper to give it to on a public platform. So this is for the friendly basis I will give it. Although it is public, there is no doubt about this. But this I always request that ICA membership will always go a long way. And this is CA Institute certificate course also very good, and that gives you basic 36 hours fantastic training including mock arbitration, which I myself am conducting for 3 hours, and 2 groups we create and actually play the arbitration. Yes. Yes.
ये कोर्स बहुत दिनों से हो नहीं रहा है बॉम्बे Last 1 year I'm trying to do it. But it is-
Course. You have to register yourself.
Get it done whenever you want to let me know. We'll get it done.
So that comes under CECL committee. CECL committee comes under. Now next batch is at Meerut. So I am at Meerut in the chilled 9-degree temperature, full of fog. Bombay, when we conduct the course, we are short of participants.
Participants are not.
And when
Cancelled.
it was exactly Thane, it was announced. Thane, it was announced. It was 10,000 rupees fees there, and just Mulund it is 20,000. But nobody will come forward when it is announced.
The minimum number of participants are.
Break even point is 25. Break even point is 25 participant. And anytime you want,
Actually not the
anytime,
Anytime you let me know the dates when you want to conduct, we can conduct.
anytime you want to 25 persons, you gather anywhere, they will hold at any venue of your choice.
We can do it.
You inquire participants. I will also help and I will also.
Yeah, at least 10 members we can get from our study support.
Publish in our WN newsletter.
But it is there on the website.
Website of ICI it is there. Now last thing,
But informally we can gather. some-
Last thing is that today I have dealt with only a basic. If you want to see real basic of 2 hours, it is on ICAI TV. My webcast was already there. You go to ICAI TV, then there is a webcast, then other topic column there is others. Under others there is a arbitration. You will see my face and then click it. होता है ना angry bird जैसा, click. And angry bird will start speaking. Yes please.
Arbitrator cannot grant arrangement of property. He can give an order of injunction preventing sale of property. But cannot grant assistance of property.
No, that I said, no? Rent Act where prevails और Property Act matter are the courts matter, so you cannot. In short, एक चीज जान, कोई भी special authority create की है, there we cannot enter. Where eagles there, याद रखने का.
He can grant injunction preventing sale of property.
Yes, yes sir.
We cannot be arbitrator, you say.
Why?
Will.
We cannot be arbitrator. Yes, I thought we cannot become arbitrator. हाँ,
But
will.
no. But the dispute among the legal heir can be arbitrated.
That is only regarding quantum, not regarding the legality of the will. That Supreme Court has probate करने से चालू कर दिया. Who is entitled, who is not entitled, that is
If
not
you
allowed.
want to come to settlement, arbitration is the best thing.
That is, mediation is better, why not?
So once in the case of will, it has been accepted to go for arbitration, they are accepting the will, and it is only for the quantum it is there.
Yes, of course. Of course it is so.
Unless somebody says without prejudice.
The all questions are reasonably answered in this pink book, which is a basic course material of the institute. And where are my 3 books? First of all, before that I will not go. Dispute on arbitration. Arbitration on arbitration. Thank you very much for your passionate hearing, but not before last line. Not before last line. Life is not arbitration. Think whether I am doing wrong to somebody. That will be the biggest arbitration of the life. Thank you very much and see you someday.
I request everyone to sit for a minute for the well-deserved vote of thanks. That's our duty. Let's not part immediately. Before the pleasant transfer of the vote of thanks, I request our vice chairperson, Ms. Preeti, she has a word to say about our committee activities.
Respected past president, vice president, chairman of the committee, Preeti, seniors and my dear friends. I know everyone has a hurry to go. I will not take much time. Only the thing, we had a very excellent residential literature course on Companies Act 2013 very recently in the month of December, and it was successful RRC. We can say wonderful RRC. Participants from all the parts of the city, not only from Bombay but various parts were enrolled, and around 90 participants were there, and this was first time which has happened this RRC. So the entire credit goes to the chairman and entire committee members. It was jointly with the corporate laws committee, corporate members committee. Another program which we are planning in our committee is on 28th of January, Wednesday at IMC, and that is on section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act, check bouncing. So all are requested to attend that, and also give your suggestions if you have any topic in the mind which doesn't come under direct tax, indirect tax, company law, which comes under other things which is allied laws, so we can surely take up. So this is a request. Thank you very much. 28th January, Wednesday. It is at IMC. So now request Preeti to.
Yes, Bhupendra Bhai, first of all, thanks a lot for sparing a valuable time to us. Propose what of things is following, but let me just share the view, my personal experience, and most of you, many of you rather, would have shared his talk or rather his presentation on the mock search which he has been presented, and I was fortunate to be so-called a hero of that movie. And this was a very venue where we performed that particular shooting about some 7 years back. That was in the year 2006 and 2007. And we had wonderful time that time also because of his, first of all, high sense of humor, and along with his wits and knowledge of in-depth section studies. So thank you, Bhupendra Bhai, and looking forward for more from you. And I request Preeti Shukla to present the well-deserved vote of thanks.
First of all, I want to give my hearty vote of thanks to Sir for giving such a lively, informative and interactive sort of study circle, and I personally what I felt instead of boring, making a very boring you have made this particular lecture and you have explained in such a very lucid and clear language, which I think you have not used any sort of any legal jargons, but you have tried to explain in your own way, which I think each member might have understood in their own way. So I think I actually have thoroughly it was very informative for me. And I think even my rest of my members have also felt in that way only. So it was, thanks a lot, sir.
One third of the gate.